Hello people, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this particular video, I'm going to show you people how I made this frontal unit braided wig. Okay, how I achieved those coils. Just look at these coils, just like a French coils. I made it from scratch. I'm going to show you guys everything. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. So guys, this is the wig cap, okay, the dump cap that I will be using for this video. So I just have to fix it on my mannequin head, and then this is the frontal. Okay, I've already ventilated the frontal. If you don't know how to do so, please check my channel. I have about 2 videos on how you can achieve this. So when I'm done fixing it on the dump cap, okay, when you do this, make sure that the back side is lapping very well. Don't bother yourself about the front side, okay, but make sure the back side is lapping very well, just the way you see this one. So I'll just go ahead and start and sew it into the dump cap. Okay, first of all, I go from under the cap, then to the lace, from the lace to the cap. Okay, I'm doing this so as to hide the thread, I mean the beginning part of it. I go from the dump cap to the base, then from the base to the dump cap like 3 times, then I continue with the sewing. So I'll just sew it round from there to the other side. Then when I'm done sewing, we will go straight to the braiding process. Like I said, when facing your frontal, make sure that the back side is lapping very well. Okay, make sure that the back side is lapping very well. Alright, so guys, if you want to see how I achieved that beautiful wig, especially the coil parts, stick to the end of this video. I'll show you everything. It's a knotless braided wig, it's a frontal unit knotless braided wig. So I'm going to show you guys everything when I'm done sewing the lace. Okay, so this is the extension that we'll be using. So I did cotton tray, I stretch, and then I comb, and this is orange color. So I'm going to show you people how you can attach the braid on your dump cap. First of all, go in with your crochet pin, then crochet little amount of hair depending on the size of braid that you are doing. Then bring the one you are going to use and braid and attach it. Just watch what I'm doing. There are 2 ways you can do this. Either you use this style, or I will show you the second style that you can use to do this. But for me, I prefer this one because it's faster. Okay, both of them are okay, so just choose the one you are more comfortable with. I prefer this first one because it's faster and I'm more comfortable with that. So I'm just going to show you. Sometimes I make use of the second one, but most times I do this one because it's more faster for me. Okay, so guys, if you know you are getting any value from this video and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing. So when I get to the damp part, okay, I didn't braid it to the end, I knot it. Like I said, we're actually going to do a coils for the damp part. Okay, the wig is going to have coils. Okay, I just crochet in small amount of the braiding hair, just small amounts. Okay, then I holding one of it, I drag it out. So then bring the one I'll be using and attach. Just watch how I attach it. Very simple. Some persons find this difficult to do, or when they do so, it's kind of rough. Look at my one, it's very neat. So if you follow what I just did, your own will be neat, even more neater than myself. So just follow what I did. So sometimes I see people's braided wig, especially when they are doing crochet braided wig, the mats or the base of the braid is something that is very rough. Okay, so this is the right way to do this if you want yours to be very neat or more neat. Okay, when I get to the down, I tie, like I knot it. Okay, like I said, we are actually going to do coils for the mouth. I'll show you guys everything from A to Z. Is a knotless braided wig. For the frontal part, we are going to do a knotless braid. Okay, so guys, for the second pattern, okay, you can do this when you crochet in the part of hair you are using small part, then you place the second one and kind of make a knot. Make sure it's tight, then the one you knot, the two will serve as one, while the other side, I mean the other part, will serve as one, while the other one serve as one, making it three. Then you braid just like that. So just use any one that you feel more comfortable with. Like I say, for me, I prefer the first one. It's faster for me. So just choose the one that is more comfortable. Both of them are okay. You still get a very beautiful, and the base will not be rough. So just choose the one you are more comfortable with. Some people make use of this, while some persons make use of the first one. For me, I prefer the first one because it's faster. So you just knot it. Okay, then the one you knot will serve as one, then the other two will serve as one, and then you braid. Okay, so guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, comment if you are having any issue or if you have any question. Let me know in the comment section. I try as much as possible to reply. In fact, I reply all the comments, all the questions under my videos. I've replied, or I don't think I have any outstanding. I make sure I reply people. So I'm just showing you how I add my extension to get the length I want, because I don't like when after adding it will be showing, like the place you added it is showing. So when I'm adding, I add it as if I'm doing a knotless braid, so you won't even notice where I added anything. Okay, you won't see the place I added because I did it in form of a knotless braided wig. Sorry, a knotless braid, the way you do your knotless braid. Okay, so this is simply how I add. So I braid, leaving one part of the one I added, and then braid, then join it. So just like that. When you do this, the part you added will not be visible. To be very cool and very smooth, just like normally. Okay, so this is the mouth. So when I'm done with the back side, the crochet part, then it's time to do the frontal side. So I just part it according to the size I want. It's not a big knotless braided, just small knotless braid. So just part yours according to the size you want. So when I'm done parting it this way, I didn't do any, just very simple to do. So when I'm done parting, I started braiding the knotless part. So for the back, the places that are visible, you can still see the net. I'm still going to fill everything. Okay, I'm going to fill everything. So I part depending on my size. So very small knotless braid, so part yours according to the size of braid that you want. Okay, so this is the frontal side, the knotless braided side. For the natural color hair that I use, my clients want it to be visible. She doesn't want me to hide it, so that's why I did not consider hiding it. So this is how I braid. I divide the hair into 3. I'm just showing you guys everything. If you follow this, if you don't know how to do a knotless braid, this video is for you. Just follow this, you get it. Okay, so making sure it's tight. I braid 2 times before adding my extension, because the hair is kind of silky. It's a blend hair. I ventilated the frontal with a blend, so it's silky. I go in 2 times so as to make it very tight. Okay, then I add my extension. Watch what I'm doing, guys. I braid, leaving one to the other side, okay, then I braid and then I add it. I will just watch what I'm doing. You understand, this is simply the easiest way you can do your knotless braid. If you don't know how to do a knotless braid, whether you are braiding a wig or you are braiding it on someone's hair, this is simply how you do it, okay. That's why I have to slow down this part so that you guys can easily see and understand what I'm doing. Like I said, I didn't care about hiding the natural hair, okay, because my client doesn't want me to hide it. She wants it to be visible, okay. So this is it. I leave the other side, I braid, then I add it just like that. If you're watching you've gotten to this point and you've not hit that subscribe button and you've not hit that like button, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please like, comment, share. People are waiting for this video. Please share this video out, give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be able to get notified by YouTube that yes, I've uploaded a video, okay. So this is simply how I'm doing the knotless side, which is the frontal side, okay. So guys, if you want me to supply you with ventilated full lace, frontals, closures, any size of closure, or you want me to supplying you braided wigs, okay, or you want me to recreate this particular one for you, please, you see my WhatsApp number showing in your screen. Just let me know in the comment section. So guys, when you do this, you can actually style it, like you can pick it to the other side, okay, keep it to the other side, just style it anyhow you want it, okay. So this is simply what I'm doing, and I make sure that the braid is very tight from the base, okay. So like I was saying, if you want to have any kind of business with me, either you want me to supply you braided wigs or you want me to recreate this particular one for you, or any kind of braided wig at all, or you want me to be supplying ventilated full lace, frontals, closures, let me know. That's my WhatsApp number, please, for business, okay. Let me know, chat me up on WhatsApp so that I will take it from there. My price is very, very affordable. Like when I mean affordable, just tell me you're coming from YouTube. Any client I'm getting from my YouTube, okay, I make sure I charge them very, very low compared to what I charge others. Trust me, because I know I've gotten some persons from YouTube that want me to do braided wig for them, and the price I gave them was actually not what it's supposed to be. But once you tell me you're from my YouTube channel and you want to do business with me, trust me, I give it to you at a very lowest price, okay. So guys, this is simply what I'm doing. I'm just doing the knotless side, okay. Remember, we are done with the back side. Then when we are done with this front side, the next thing I'm going to show you, I would first of all trim it. After trimming, just to remove the flyers, then I'll show you guys how I was able to achieve those coils, just like a French coils. And that reminds me guys, I'll be uploading a video soon on how you can actually make a French coils at home from scratch, okay. You can actually produce a French coils yourself using any color of your choice, okay. So I'll be uploading that video very soon. That's why you need to subscribe. Not just subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload that video you get notified, okay. Please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will attend to them. All right, so when I'm done with the front side and trim, now it's time for us to do the damp part, which is the part that have the coils. So I'm using my flexi rod, guys. So I pick like 10 of the hairs and I combed. Okay, if you want to have a very smooth coils, go ahead and stretch this braid, the braiding hair, with the lowest heat to very low. Okay, stretch it a bit with a very low heat before coiling. Okay, so I'm using my flexi rod to do this. Why? Sorry, the second one will be more visible. This one was kind of off the camera. So I folding it at a place. I'm in the same place. I'm not moving like the way you normally do. You do your normal coils. I'm just coiling, like folding it at a place. When I'm done, I'll use my band, like my rubber band, to hold it so that it will not lose. But you can leave it like that if you don't have a rubber band, because I actually did some without a rubber band and it still stays still without losing. Okay, so picking like 10, you can do 5, you can do 7, okay, depending on what you want. So I comb it very well, making sure it's smooth, and then I fold. Okay, fold it on my flexi rod at a place. Okay, just one place, and do not make it too tight, so as when you are done with the hot water, it won't be very difficult for you to lose. Do not make it too loose, do not make it too tight, just normal. Okay, so when I'm done folding, I just use my rubber band to hold the edge so that it will not lose. When I'm done with the everything, then it's now for me to soak it in hot water. When I'm done soaking, I now lose the flexi rod without losing the coils. Okay, before I lose the coils, I have to allow it dry. You can still leave it like that. So guys, just look at this. Is this still not French coils? Okay, this is exactly what I want to achieve, and this is exactly what I achieved. So it's very still wet because I just remove it from hot water. So you can lose it, but if you want to lose it, first of all, leave it to dry. You can still leave it like that. With time, it's going to lose by itself. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe.